Imagine this for a moment. You are running for your life. Fire is falling from the sky. An entire city is burning behind you. The ground is shaking. The sky is glowing red. Everything you once knew is being destroyed. And God gives you just one simple instruction. Do not look back. Just keep moving forward. But then, someone does the unthinkable. She looks back. Just one glance, one moment of hesitation, and instantly she became a pillar of salt. Now here is the question that should make all of us stop and think. Why would Jesus give one of the shortest warnings in the entire Bible? Just 3 words. Remember Lot's wife. Luke chapter 17, verse 32. Why would God want every generation to remember that moment? What was so dangerous about looking back? To understand this, we have to go back to the story. The city where Lot lived had become full of corruption and wickedness, violence, immorality, darkness everywhere, and judgment was coming. But even in judgment, God showed mercy. Angels came with a warning. They told Lot and his family, "Leave the city, run for your lives, do not stay, and whatever you do, do not look back." It sounded simple, just keep moving forward. But sometimes the hardest thing in life is leaving the past behind. As they ran out of the city, destruction began falling from the heavens. Fire, smoke, chaos everywhere. Everything behind them was collapsing. Their homes, their memories, their old life. And in that moment, Lot's wife turned around. Maybe she missed her home. Maybe she missed the life she once had. Maybe part of her heart was still in that city. But that one look revealed something deeper. Her body was leaving, but her heart was still attached. And instantly, she became a pillar of salt. Not just a punishment, a warning that would echo through history. Because looking back is not just about your eyes, it is about your heart. Even today, many people are trying to move forward with God, but their hearts keep looking back to old habits, back to old relationships, back to the same life God already rescued them from. They pray for change, they ask God for a new beginning, but deep inside, they still miss the past. And that is where the danger begins. Because you cannot step into the future God prepared for you while your heart is still living in the past. Sometimes the past feels comfortable, even if it was destroying you. That is why the warning of Jesus is so powerful. 3 simple words: remember Lot's wife. Luke chapter 17, verse 32. If God delivers you from something, do not go back to it. The past will try to pull you. Memories will whisper to you. The world will call you back. But if God rescued you, it means He has something better ahead. So keep walking forward. Do not cling to the past. Do not look back to the life God saved you from. Walk forward in faith. Walk forward in obedience, because the people who keep their eyes on the path God sets before them will not be lost. They will find life, freedom, and eternal hope. And that is why the Bible still reminds us today, remember Lot's wife.